Okay, so this is my main channel, and as you can see, I got 4,500 subscribers. And yeah, let's just get into it. So, what I like about analytics is as soon as you come to your studio, you see right here how many subscribers you have, how many views you have, how much watch time you have immediately. Your top videos within the last 48 hours, and your most recent upload, which mine was 7 days ago. But I have 1.2K views. Green arrows mean it's going up. This down arrow means it's down from what it usually is. This is my typical. This is where I'm at. I have not been posting a lot because I got demonetized. So yeah, analytics. As you can see, the live watch time. Okay, like 2 people are literally watching my videos right now. 229 people have watched my videos in the last 48 hours. And these are my top videos.